AI is everywhere in 2025, designing graphics, writing ad copy, and even helping you shop online. It's evolving fast, bringing up the big question, will AI replace humans? What happens to your creativity, your ideas, your job? Don't panic just yet. In this video, we're breaking down why humans still have the edge, how AI is transforming creativity without stealing it, and what Adobe Summit 2025 just revealed about the future of AI in commerce. Stick around, the truth may surprise you. Let's get real. Tools like Adobe Firefly are powerful, but they're just that, tools. Just like a paintbrush or a camera, AI still needs you to bring the vision. Sure, Firefly can create stunning images from a prompt like dreamy night market, but who decides the vibe, the emotion, the story? You do. AI can remix existing ideas. It can't replace human instinct, emotion, or that what-if curiosity that sparks great art. It learns from what we've made, but it's not making the next big thing on its own. Want to see the future of creative teamwork? Look at what Adobe revealed at Summit 2025. They demoed Firefly as a smart assistant, suggesting layout fixes, recoloring a brand logo, even generating new banner ideas. It's not replacing designers. It's removing the boring stuff like resizing, tweaking, and editing, so creatives can focus on bigger ideas. Think of AI not as your competition, but as your creative co-pilot. AI isn't just for artists. It's a game changer for brands and shoppers, too. According to Adobe's Digital Trends report, AI helps businesses produce content faster. That means campaigns go live sooner, products launch quicker, and teams breathe easier. And for customers, it's all about personalization. Ever noticed how product suggestions now feel weirdly accurate? That's AI reading your behavior and delivering what fits your style. No more annoying ads, just smart, "This is so me" shopping experiences. And if you run an online store, Adobe Commerce plus AI is your new secret weapon. With Firefly services and real-time data, you can automatically serve product recommendations, update visuals, and customize storefronts. Imagine your homepage adjusting to each visitor. No coding, no stress, just conversions. Your store gets smarter, your customers feel seen. Everyone wins. AI isn't taking your place, it's helping you move faster, create better, and connect deeper. So the question isn't, will AI replace humans? It's, how will you use it to level up? Like, subscribe, and follow us for more ways to future-proof your business with AI.